Hook, have you ever wondered why some banks seem to be more popular in certain countries? Today, we're diving into a specific banking app called Monzo and trying to figure out which country is Monzo most popular in. Context: Monzo is a British digital bank known for its innovative features, sleek app, and fee-free international spending. It's gained a significant following, but where did it really take off? Let's explore the potential contenders. Potential contenders. The United Kingdom. Homegrown hero, being British, Monzo naturally has a strong foothold in the UK. Market penetration, it's likely the most popular in its home country due to familiarity and accessibility. Customer base, analyze data on Monzo's user base within the UK to support this claim. Other European countries. Expansion strategy, Monzo has expanded its services to several European countries. Market acceptance, assess how well Monzo has been received in countries like Germany, France, and Spain. Competition, compare Monzo's popularity to other digital banks in these regions. Emerging markets. Untapped potential, explore the possibility of Monzo gaining traction in emerging markets. Financial inclusion, discuss how Monzo's features could benefit underserved populations. Regulatory landscape, examine the regulatory environment in these countries to identify potential challenges or opportunities. Research and analysis. User data, analyze Monzo's public data or reports to identify regions with the highest user concentration. Social media, look at Monzo's social media engagement in different countries to gauge popularity. App Store reviews, examine reviews and ratings to understand customer sentiment in various regions. Market research, consult industry reports and surveys to gather insights into banking trends and preferences. Expert interviews. Monzo representatives, interview Monzo executives or employees to get first-hand information on their expansion strategy and popular regions. Financial analysts, speak with financial analysts who specialize in the banking industry to get expert opinions on Monzo's global reach. Visuals and storytelling. Infographics, use infographics to visually represent data on user distribution, market share, and app downloads. B-roll footage, include B-roll footage of people using Monzo's app or visiting Monzo branches, if applicable, to add visual interest. Storytelling, weave personal anecdotes or stories about people who have benefited from Monzo's services in different countries. Conclusion. Recap key points, summarize the main findings from your research and analysis. Answer the question, conclude by definitively answering the question, which country uses Monzo Bank? Call to action, encourage viewers to share their experiences with Monzo or suggest other digital banks they've used. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Additional tips. Keep the video concise and engaging. Use clear and simple language. Edit the video carefully to ensure a smooth flow. Add relevant tags and keywords to improve discoverability. By following these guidelines, you can create a compelling YouTube video that provides valuable information and keeps viewers interested from start to finish.